Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Isn't this so exciting? Well, today I'm doing another video with Liltayfinnagetrich. Woo!
Hello.
Yeah, because our Escape the Dungeon Obby video has over 200 views, which I'm really surprised at how it's gotten around. So I'm really happy with that. So as a little celebration, we'll be doing another Obby. That is much old. It's escape the subway. So there's been a zombie apocalypse, and there are zombies down in the subway, but we can't get out, so we need to find another way out. So let's go. So they locked us in the subway to stop the zombie infection from spreading. Let's find another way out. Vroom. Oh.
Jeez.
Uh-oh. Okay, so you better get away easy. Always. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, dang, I died too. How did we die on the first
Those
obstacle?
sounds, though. Oh my gosh.
Oh. How did I do this?
I did it.
Okay. Okay, just take it nice and slow. But not nice and slow, just... Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice. Okay, they're coming through the vent. Wait. We need tickets to get... Okay, so we need to come in through here, yeah. Ooh. Okay, I'll be careful. Oh, he's right there. Yes. Remember the last time we were jumping into vents? We were in the hotel.
Gosh.
Jaresh. Do better next time, Jaresh.
He's
Okay.
got green skin. He must be like a zombie.
Yeah,
as well.
he is a zombie, ain't he? Yeah. Okay, wow, these don't look like vents anymore. Oh, yikes, they're underneath us. They're
Actual
moving.
zombies.
Yeah, they're following. Yikes, that's gross. Okay, here we are.
Where do we go? Do we just keep going?
I think so. And I think we need to come down. And the poor guy, we need to cross. Oh, the zombies are eating him. And so they. Oh.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
What the heck?
It was because she was in the way. Sarah, player interactions, collisions. You can do it, Lil Tay.
Did it? Yay.
Yeah. Subscribe to Fatpaps. I think we need to go into the train, yeah. Ew.
Fatpaps makes the best obbies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I stood on your torso. That's funny to say. Oh, dang. What even is this green stuff? Is this acid or something?
Probably something.
Toxic waste. That's why there are zombies. Now we need to hurry before the zombies wake up. Okay, where do we... Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is intense. Oh, wow.
What's this guy again?
That's a huge... That's a very big arm. Ooh, look at my...
The emergency stairs?
Emergency. He doesn't even have a face.
Yeah.
Okay, something's up with that. Okay.
He probably is a zombie, like, in disguise or something.
Yeah. Yeah. He's the head zombie. He made the giant zombie to freak us out so that he could dominate and control. And he's... Wow, okay. We should make a story game based off of this. But there is a story game called Field Trip Z. That's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, where do we... I think we go in here.
Oh.
How did you... Oh. I fell as well. No. No train tracks. Can I jump in here? Oh, help me. Oh, I just went through the door. It's not letting me go through. Oh, there we go. Ooh, there are the train sounds.
Oh.
And this is surround sound. This is like ear to ear ASMR.
True.
What plot twist? Oh my goodness, this is violence at its greatest. We're going to cry. Oh my goodness.
Beheaded. Wait, where do we go?
Just keep walking forward. There we go.
Oh, okay, I'm here.
We're going to crash.
Oh,
This is a
jeez.
new angle. Wow.
Yeah. That's confusing.
Oh, and through the window. Yeah. That did hurt. Oh, excuse me? Okay. Now on the railway that doesn't kill you when you touch it. Oh, look at that big zombie. Ew. He's pretty chunky.
The eye. Oh, that's disgusting.
Now I think we're gonna travel inside the beast. Yikes. What? I didn't even go through, I just went through his head. Oh, there we go, fallen. Okay. We have been eaten. Let's find a way out. Oh, this is intense. Oh. Imagine if this was a movie.
This movie would be pretty terrible.
Yeah. We'd be the stars. What should you do? What stage you on? Hanuma? Hanuma Jai? That's how you answer. What should you do? Hi. Oh, uh-oh. Ooh, wow, I just realized these are the ribs of the zombie. That's sort of gross. That's a really big zombie. And I think we must have gotten smaller. Okay. It's another choose your path. Let's go. Let's go here. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you can kind of tell. It's like kind of.
I think I'm gonna go this one right here. Oh, lucky ducky. Then I'm gonna go the middle one. Yeah, that one I'm gonna go the middle. Okay, that was not. Oh, to test it because it's on a slant. You can go down a bit before you fall completely.
Oh.
And so you can test.
Yeah, that's so smart.
Which one is it?
This one.
Okay.
Oh, and it's just this one again.
Ooh. Oh. I didn't teleport again. I keep not teleporting. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. We need to do some epic climbing. At least, oh. So, how have you been going, Liltay?
Pretty good. Holidays have been amazing.
Oh, yes, school
I hate
holidays.
school.
Oh, yeah.
What about you?
Well, holidays have been good, but I'm just worried that I'll be getting quite bored. Because I only really have 3 things to, well no, I have plenty of things to do, but I'm so picky that I only really have 3 things, which is just playing my Wii U, like a cool dude, or playing the computer or reading, and so, but there are some dates where I'll be going to shopping center with friends, so yeah. Oh, wait, what did he say? We made it out, but we need to get out of this infected city. Take the car. Take the car.
Oh, okay. It just went. I didn't even control it. Oh no, I died.
Okay. Ooh, ooh, epic. Okay, what happens if you go? Oh, dang. This is really hard to control. Subscribe to Fatpaps. Let's go. Let's go. Vroom vroom. Oh my goodness, I'm tumbling. Okay. Oh, dang it. These are pretty cool cars, though. Very good cars. Okay, let's go. Spawn the car. Where are you up to?
Zombies in the road.
Oh, dang. I'm still at the very start of the thing. Because my beautiful car keeps tumbling.
Yeah, that happened to me. Oh, I made it! It's the end.
Okay, zombies in the road. Oh, tumble down the... tumble down the slope. Uh-oh. Ooh, this is... I like that. That was a very smart idea. Vroom.
We did it!
Yeah, jump in my car.
Can I?
Let's
Is
see
that
some
possible?
donuts. I don't think it is because I'm right in the... Oops, sorry. It's faster than I think it is. Oh.
Just stand here. Oh.
Oh, too fast. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that did not work. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. This is a very old obby, as you can see. Look at this winner's zone. Look, you just get paths. You don't even get any epic jumps. Light path, gold path, shadow path, ice path, lightning path. Gold path and lightning are pretty much the same. Just one of them's gold. And then grass. Ah, how nice. Wait, how are you jumping?
I'm just jumping with the path.
Oh, I can't even see your path.
Oh.
That looks very funny. Can you see mine?
No, I can't.
Wow, that's funny. You're just jumping on nothing. Ooh, watch me go high. So good. Okay. Anyway, this has been very fun. Oh, thanks, Liltay. Thanks, Liltay, for playing with me.
Yep. It was very fun.
Yes. Okay, bye.